Good evening. The West Indies' impressive 106-run victory over Pakistan in Barbados on Thursday to level their three-match test series at 1-all continues to be the main talking point in regional cricket circles. Now, the West Indies team deserves a lot of credit, especially against the background that there were a few moments in the game when it appeared as if they were heading for defeat, which would have ultimately conceded the series to the Pakistanis. It was admirable to see a few players stepping up big time and delivering the goods when they were sorely needed. Ruston Chase's century of 131 in the West Indies' first innings, Shai Hope's knock of 90 in the West Indies' second innings, the 9-wicket haul by man of the match Shannon Gabriel, especially his exploits in Pakistan's second innings where he captured career best figures of 5 for 11, and the overall bowling at the captaincy of Jason Holder were all commendable performances which helped the West Indies to achieve victory. What is needed now is for these players and their other teammates to maintain a level of consistency for the remainder of the series and also over a sustained period of time. However, there's no guarantee of this happening given the level of inconsistency displayed by the West Indies for more than a decade. One also has to treat the second test performance with a degree of caution given the unpredictable nature of both the West Indies and the Pakistani teams. Let's hope that the momentum will continue to swing the West Indies' way and that they will produce another stout effort in the third and final test in Dominica starting on Wednesday. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.